Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome to a day in the life of a trader, right? Today is Sunday and then I have nothing doing. I have backtested recap on my trades and everything, and then anything. And I'm currently in one trade setup which I'll be showing you guys and also doing the breakdown for you guys and then everything. So basically, today is Sunday. All I have to do is just rest, pray to God, do all the doings and then everything. There's no much in this video. I just want to update you about everything. You know, I was, and I just want to talk about trading it too. So we will be talking about how trading really is, right? One thing I've noticed about trading is the consistency, right? Consistency wins over everything in this trading industry. You not being consistent in everything in this trading industry, I don't think profitability will reach you, right? I, you know, I was at a point where I was always losing, but I knew I was a problem, right? I never blame anybody. I never blame anything. I was always eager to make it. Like I have that edge that I have to make it. I have to make it regardless of everything. So consistency really helped me. And also second thing is you have to find a source of income, right? Find something that you are doing before, so your emotions that doesn't really make you like you don't else you make profitability will be a long way for you. I used to just be in the house doing nothing and everything, but after I found work, save up money being save up money to take care of myself and other things, I saw that I was able to detach myself from my trading ink. Like I don't care, all I know is I have to follow the plan. you know the third thing is find a strategy. Find a strategy that works for you. There's a lie that goes on that every strategy works. Do every strategy works, but it doesn't work for anybody. Not every strategy works for everybody. Some strategy may work for someone, it may not work for you. Because all of us has one, like we all have one personality. We all have our personality on how these things work, like how we do our patient, our risk management, and everything. So you have to find a strategy that works for you. When you are using a strategy and doesn't work for you, make sure to just move to the next one. Keep trying till you find the one that works for you, right? That's what I did, right? And then fourth, right? Remember to put like everything in God's hands. God is the way. Remember to put everything in God's hand, regardless of everything. Just put it in God's hands. So let's hold on to the chat. Let me show you my breakdown. What happened or what did the chat money. Welcome to the chat, well, guys. Welcome to the chat, and then let's begin, right? So I'm currently on a buy on BTC. So I'll show you the chart on which I'm. This is a clean chart. So this is what I did, right? The strategy I trade is just structure liquidity and then POI. I take structure liquidity and then POI. So basically, I came to the daily time frame, and you could see price clearly price is in a downtrend. So, and I trade basically POI. POI is basically POI is order block, and then so what I'm expecting is this POI to price to come here. I'm expecting price to come here before dumping to anything else. So this is what I'm expecting, right? This is what I'm expecting on price to do. That's what I'm expecting on price to do. So this is what I did. I came to the daily time frame. This setup I missed it here. This you see, let's see, price was going then creating downtrend, and then it took out this high, right? It took out this high, and then retraced. But as price was going, it created an inducement. This is one inducement. So I used this level. I used this level. I was waiting for price to react from this zone because this is already mitigated. This is already mitigated. All these zones left it only this one. So I wasn't active on this last week. I wasn't really looking at BTC. So reacted from this other block. This they call it key level. But I call it just a key level, right? Price reacted from there. So I went to the 1 hour time frame. to look for when what price was doing, right? You could see price went up, rally up. So I was not active at that time. So I came on the chart when BTC was somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here. So I was waiting for price to take out this high, took it out, which is a break of structure, right? Which is a break of structure. And then this is an inducement because we have two types. I had two types of setup. I trade. Let's say price is on another trend, goes up, pull back, and then goes. And then price will come back, takes out the inducement, then tap me in, and then go in my way. And also, there's another setup which is price goes up, comes back, price goes up, comes down. Oh, sorry. Uh, let's do it in an uptrend. Price goes up, comes down. You know, it creates the inducement before breaking the structure, and the price comes back and take it. So this is the same thing that happens here, right? This is the same thing that happened here. Price created inducement before breaking the structure. So I was expecting price to come to this breaker block, right? I took my first entry from this breaker block, but unfortunately, right? Unfortunately, price gave me some little profit and then took me out. And I after reviewing, I saw that there was another block here which was also mitigated. So price used me as liquidity. You know, it happens. It happens, and then went my way. So after this, I went to the. I wanted to see if the. I wanted to see if this other block would help. So I went to the 15 minutes. Yeah, I went to the 15 minutes to look for my confirmation, right? So I was looking for market structure shifts and inducement and then POI. So price, you could see price from here. Price is creating a lower low, lower high, lower high. So I was waiting for price to break this high, right? And after you see, it gave me the pullback. It gave me the pullback. And then this was the order block, right? And then I took my entry from here. I took my entry from here. I took my entry from here, and then uh, yeah, I took my entry from here, and I was expecting. Let's see, my SL was like 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips. So avoid any unnecessary thing. So this is my SL, and then as price was going up, I was also looking for re-entries, right? Re-entries, and then price broke this. You could see it broke structure again, gave me the inducement which I needed, right? It gave me the inducement which I needed, and then the POI, this is the POI. Oh, come on. No, this was not this POI is already mitigated, so I was waiting for this POI. I think this one. So price left me, missed me by a pip, and then went my way. But I'm still holding the first entry to, uh, you know, to this zone. I'm waiting for price to come to this zone, this particular zone right here. So I'm expecting price to come here. This is what I'm expecting price to come here. And then, I would also be finding ways and means to give you guys the recap on videos. So this is what I am doing, and then that is my I'll drop the most of. So this is the pair. If you don't believe me, uh I think this is the BTC. Yeah, this is it. And you can see price mix. It really missed my entry. This is my second entry. So I'm expecting price to just value up. When price takes out this high, This is how I'll be finding more entries. So this is my MT5. This is currently my MT5. Sorry. Oh, come on, not this account. This is a prop firm account. This is my account. So yeah, this is it. And you can see, this is it. I'm currently in 166 because $50. I'm risking $50 to make what? I'm risking $50. So yeah. So I basically did. So this is it. I basically so I'll make sure to find all videos and everything. So if you like the kind of content, subscribe. Let's get it in it. See you guys later.